Hello everyone and welcome to your channel TechVine. In today's video, we will make a project called Text to Speech Converter. So first of all, let me tell you what is our basic aim that we are trying to achieve through this project. Suppose I am having a text file which contains multiple lines of text and I am too lazy to go through each and every line of the text file by myself, and I want that my computer should tell me what is present in the text file. That is, it should read each and every line of the text file to me and I will just listen to it. Let me show you a quick demo of the project. Here I have a text file which contains these two lines, and when I run the code of our project, let's see what happens.
Hello everyone. Keep chasing your dreams. Each day you will be moving closer to your dreams.
You can see that our computer is able to read the lines directly from the text file. So if you want to make this project, watch the video till the end. I will explain each and every line of this code. So without taking much of your time, let's start the video. Let's start our project. First of all, go to desktop and create a new folder. After that, open your IDE. I am using VS Code. You can use any of your favorite IDEs. Open the folder that we have just created. Now let's create a text file that we want our computer system to read for us. Create a new file, give a name to your file. Now let's add few lines to this text file. After that, we are done with this text file. Press Ctrl+S to save this file. After that, we will create a new file in which we will write our Python code. Now we have to install a Python module called PyTTSX3. This module will allow us to change our text to speech. So to install this module, open your terminal and write a command pip install pyttsx3. This command will install this module on your system. On my system, this module is already installed, so you can see it is written requirement already satisfied. After that, import this module to your code. Type import pyttsx3. Before using this module, we have to initialize it first. So to initialize it, type engine equals pyttsx3 dot init. After that, type engine dot say, and here you can write whatever you want your computer system to read for you. Now type engine dot run and wait. Now let's run this code and see what happens.
Hello everyone and welcome to your channel TechVine.
You can see that our computer is able to convert this text into the speech. But wait, with this much of code, we will have to update this string again and again, because every time we want our computer system to read something different for us. But we don't want to update this text again and again, because you know we are lazy people. That's why we are making this project. The thing which we want is that our code should be able to pick the text directly from this text file which we have created earlier. For that, we will have to make some changes in this code. To do this, let's define a variable called answer. Answer equals open. Here I have called this open function. This open function will allow me to open any particular file. So we want to open this text file called sample.txt. So type here sample.txt, and that's all. We have successfully opened this text file. Now we want to read the contents of this file. For that, again define a variable answer.read. Now we have opened the sample.txt file and also we have read the content of this text file. Now remove this line of code and paste it here. After that, replace this string with our variable x. And that's all. Save your file. After that, run the code.
Hello everyone.
Now you can see that our computer system is able to pick up the contents of this text file and convert them to speech. Now we want to make computer voice more flexible. That is, till now we are getting a male voice as our output. But now we want to add a female voice also. To do this, we will use an API called SAPI5. This API is provided by Microsoft, which allows us to use the different voices present on our windows. So at the time of initialization, type SAPI5. After that, type voices equals engine.getProperty voices. After that, we have to set the property for this voices. That is, we have to select whether we want a female voice or a male voice. To do that, type engine.setProperty voices0.id. Now suppose I want a female voice as my output, so I will change this 0 to 1. Save your code. Now run your code.
Hello everyone.
You can see that our output voice is changed to female. If I want a male voice as my output, I will change this 1 to 0. Save your code. Run your code.
Hello everyone.
You can see that output is restored to a male voice. Now let's make some changes in our text file. Now let's try to run our code and see if it works.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe TechVine.
So we have successfully created our project called Text to Speech Converter. Guys, if you have liked the video so far, please subscribe to my channel TechVine. It really motivates me to bring more content for you guys. For the next time, stay safe, stay healthy.